Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Professor Hassan and you are watching my channel Professor Hassan Hamayu. Dear candidates, today we will discuss very important expected statistics question for all the written test of statistics. Before starting today's important lecture, I request everyone subscribe to my channel, like and share my channel and click the bell icon for the notifications of the next important videos. Let's start. Question number 1 is Bernoulli distribution is the special case of A. Binomial distribution, B. Hypergeometric distribution, C. Poisson distribution, D. None of these. Dear students, Bernoulli distribution is the special case of the binomial distribution. In Bernoulli distribution we have only one trial, and whereas in binomial distribution we have greater than equal to two trials. In binomial distribution mean is equal to NP, and in Bernoulli distribution mean is equal to P. In binomial distribution variance is equal to NPQ, whereas in Bernoulli distribution variance is equal to PQ. In binomial distribution standard deviation is under root NPQ. In Bernoulli distribution standard deviation is under root PQ, because n is equal to 1, a very important one. Next question is in normal distribution, A option is mu1 is equal to 0, B option is mu3 is equal to 0, C both A and B. Actually in normal distribution all odd order moments are equal to 0. Distribution function, what do we know about this much? If you are to calculate probability of 5 less than x less than 7, that will be equal to f of 7 minus f of 5, and the definition is f of x is equal to probability of x less than equal to x. The next question is in binomial distribution beta 1 is equal to 1 minus 2p whole square over npq, and in the last lecture I discussed gamma 1 is equal to beta 1 under root. Option A is beta 1 is equal to 1 minus 2p whole square over npq, and the next option is gamma 1 is equal to 1 minus 2p over under root npq. It is also true because gamma 1 is under root of beta 1, a very important one. And in the last lecture I have discussed p is equal to q is equal to 0.5 in binomial mean symmetric distribution. Next question is number of deaths due to suicide is an example of. It is a rare event. The probability is very small. It means it is not binomial, it is not hyper, it is not geometric, it is Poisson distribution. Next is number of plane accidents in a week. It is a rare event when the probability of occurrence of an event is very small, 0.0001, 0.0002, then Poisson will be the correct option. Its answer is also Poisson, because the probability of the aeroplane accident in a week will be very small, a rare event. Next, in Poisson distribution we have 2 parameters, 3 parameters, 4 parameters, none of these. None of these is the correct option because we have only one parameter. Next, in a Poisson distribution, mean is equal to variance, mean is equal to standard deviation, mean is equal to variance. A very important question. In the last lecture, we have discussed movement generating function of the binomial distribution and q plus p e to the power t e raised to the whole power n, and in the normal e raised to the power mu t plus 1 over 2 sigma square t square, and now we will discuss the Poisson's movement generating function, that is e raised to the power mu into e raised to the power t minus 1, a very important one. In hypergeometric we know mean is np and mean can be nk over capital N. In normal distribution, what is the relationship between mean and variance? Are they equal? You can say mean is greater than variance, mean is less than variance. There is no relationship between mean and variance in the normal distribution. In uniform distribution, a very important concept, mean is equal to a plus b over 2. It has two parameters a and b, and variance is equal to b minus a whole square over 12. In normal distribution, if mean is equal to 29, then what is median? Median will also be equal to 29 and mode will also be equal to 29, because we have learnt that in normal distribution mean, median and mode are equal, and mean deviation is equal to 0.7979 sigma and quartile deviation is equal to 0.6745 sigma. Q1 is equal to mu minus 0.6745 sigma and Q3 is equal to mu plus 0.6745 sigma. In normal distribution, mean is the scale parameter, standard deviation is the shape parameter. In negative binomial distribution, trials are, we know trials are independent in the negative binomial distribution, like the binomial distribution, and trials are not fixed. In binomial, trials are fixed. Assalamu alaikum.